Traveling across the USA for free might sound like a dream, but let me tell you, it's more achievable than you think. First off, let's talk about the beauty of hitchhiking. Yeah, I know it sounds a little old school, but hear me out. There's something incredibly freeing about sticking out your thumb and trusting the universe to bring you where you need to go. Just make sure you're safe about it. Travel during the day, choose busy highways, and always trust your gut. You'd be amazed at the stories you'll collect along the way. Now, if hitchhiking isn't your thing, let's dive into the world of rideshare apps. While they usually cost money, there's a little hack here. Many drivers are looking for passengers to share gas costs. You can post on social media or local groups that you're looking for a ride to a specific destination and offer to chip in for gas. It's a win-win. You get a ride and they get some extra cash. Plus, you'll meet some interesting people who might just have some hidden gems to share about the places you're headed. Next up, let's talk about accommodation. Camping is one of the best ways to save money while experiencing the great outdoors. National parks often have free or low-cost camping sites. If you're not a big fan of camping, consider Couchsurfing. Websites like Couchsurfing.com connect travellers with locals willing to host them for free. It's a fantastic way to meet new friends and get insider tips on the area. Just remember to be respectful and show gratitude. Maybe cook a meal or bring a small gift to your host. Food is another area where you can save big. Instead of dining out, hit up local grocery stores or farmers markets. You can whip up some delicious meals with fresh ingredients, and it's a fun way to explore local cuisine without breaking the bank. Plus, picnicking in a park can be one of the most enjoyable experiences, soaking in the scenery while munching on your homemade sandwiches. Don't forget about volunteering. Organisations like Dan Off Worldwide Opportunities on Organic Farms offer free room and board in exchange for your help on farms. It's a unique way to travel, learn new skills, and immerse yourself in local culture. You'll make connections and memories that last a lifetime. Lastly, always keep an eye out for free events in the cities you visit. Concerts, festivals, art shows. There's often something happening that won't cost you a dime. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to explore the USA without spending a fortune. It's all about creativity, resourcefulness, and a little bit of courage. Happy travels.